Do you know who can see your Ring camera and video doorbell footage? I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy. Sign up for my free newsletter at cyberguy.com. Now, in light of a big privacy change, Ring camera footage will no longer be accessible to law enforcement without police making a very specific request to Amazon Ring, and that's only in extreme cases or by court order. Now, on this privacy win, it is great right now to take a fresh look at your Ring video doorbell and camera privacy settings. Here's what I want you to do. Grab your phone and launch the Ring app. On the top left, tap the three lines to open the menu. Tap Devices and select the camera or video doorbell to update. Scroll to the bottom and tap where you see Shared Access. These are the people who have access to your Ring device. Tap any name you no longer wish to share access with and select Remove User. Repeat this for any other devices if you have more than one. Now, back up to the first menu again and pick Account Settings. Right here is where you're going to want to make sure it's harder for a hacker to get in. Under Account Security, tap Two-Step Verification. This should already be set up. I personally don't want to use their Authenticator app and instead opt for the first option, Text Message. The last thing you need to do here is just make sure that your mobile number is correct, and that is all there is to it. Are you getting my newsletter? More quick tips at cyberguy.com. Subscribe for free by clicking the little red button.